welcome again. Today we are going to discuss second part of most important 1000 mining MCQs series. यदि आपने फर्स्ट पार्ट को अभी तक नहीं देखा है तो लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिया हुआ है, लिंक पे क्लिक करके आप फर्स्ट पार्ट को देख सकते हैं। चलिए देर न करते हुए अपना माइनिंग ज्ञान और बढ़ाते हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज विच डायग्राम एक्सप्लेन्स द लिमिट ऑफ एक्सप्लोजिबिलिटी ऑफ मेथेन? ए कावर्ट, बी ली चेटलियर, सी ग्राहम्स, डी पेल्वेलो। Next question is, the volume of a given mass of gas varies inversely as the absolute pressure if the temperature remains constant. This is explained by A. Charles' law, B. Kirchhoff's law, C. Boyle's law, D. Graham's law. Right answer is C. Boyle's law. Next question is, how many kilocalorie of heat is produced when 1 kg of methane is burnt? A. 580 kilocalorie, B. 1500 kilocalorie, C. 8800 kilocalorie, D. 13600 kilocalorie. Right option is D. 13600 kilocalorie. Next question is, methane drainage was first tried in a colliery. A. Ruhr coalfield of Germany, B. Ahmedabad colliery of India, C. Saint Lucia mine of Spain, D. Lorraine coalfield of France. Right answer is Ruhr coalfield of Germany. Next question is, What are the composition of the solution in which the plates of the Oldham cap lamp battery remains immersed? A. Nitric acid and hydrochloric acid. B. Hydrochloric acid and water. C. Sulfuric acid and distilled water. D. Lead solution. Right answer is C. Sulfuric acid and distilled water. Next question is why auxiliary fan of forcing type is located in the airway at least 9 meter upstream of the corner of pillar at the junction of the heading to be ventilated? A. To avoid minimum deposition of dust. B. To avoid recirculation of the hot return air mixed with dust and gases. C. To avoid chances of any explosion. D. To avoid mixing of intake and return air. Right answer is B. To avoid recirculation of hot return air mixed with dust and gases. Next question is why more than one auxiliary fan is not used in one ventilation district? A. It recirculates air containing dust and noxious gases. B. Deposits of dust on the fan moving parts. C. Chances of electrostatic sparking. D. It affects the air quality being circulated. Right answer is A. It recirculates air containing dust and noxious gases. Next question is auxiliary fan means a forcing fan used below ground mainly for ventilating A. Whole current of air passing along intake or return airways of a mine. B. A ventilating district. C. One or more phases forming a part of ventilating district. D. None of the above. Right answer is one or more phases forming a part of ventilating district. Next question is booster fan means a mechanical ventilator used below ground for A. Ventilating one or more phases in the part of a district. B. Boosting whole current of air passing along intake or return airway of the mine or ventilating district. C. Both of the above. D. None of the above. Right answer is B. Boosting whole current of air passing along intake or return airway of the mine or ventilating district. Next question is fire damp is largely made up of A. Carbon dioxide, B. Carbon monoxide, C. Methane, D. Nitrogen. Right answer is C. Methane. Next question is sting damp is synonymous with A. Hydrogen sulfide, B. Methane, C. Nitrogen dioxide, D. Sulfur dioxide. C. In pond. D. In general atmosphere. Right option is B. Coal mines or tunnel passing through carbonous shale. Next question is, what is the relation between size of coal and total methane gas content emitted at phase? A. Directly proportional.